The ghosts are here. Welcome back to this mini-series where we are showcasing our new coupon feature. In this video, we will show you how to do tiered pricing across two user segments. So let's say you have a semi-public laundry where the residents should get the laundry prices at a discounted rate, for example. And people walking in from the street, they should get it at the full price. Let's start by creating a new coupon. And this coupon will be called Residents. I want to give my residents a 50% discount on the prices in the laundry. And I'm distributing it to selected users. And they will get this discount for forever, so as long as the coupon is created on the dashboard. Now I just have to find my residents, so one of them could be, again, my good dear friend, Effie the Puck. Damn it. Like that. And here I apply the coupon, residents 50% off forever. So now my resident will receive a 50% discount forever in the laundry. Another type of coupon I can create for users or residents that should get it at a discounted rate is a fixed amount of cycles they receive every week. So again, I will name this coupon Residents. They receive 2 free starts every week, and it's given to them upfront. So that's another coupon I can create for residents who should get a discounted rate in the laundries because they live there. That is the end of this video in this very cool mini-series about the Airworld coupon feature. See you in the next video. Brilliant.